We are back again with Rapid Fire Idiom Edition. Kick the bucket.
Someone has passed away.
Both are correct. Cat got your tongue.
Can got your tongue.
This is what has happened to you. Speechless.
बात तो सही है.
Back to the drawing board.
Start over.
Yes.
It was in my mouth. Trick it.
Add fuel to the fire.
To make bad worse.
Yes.
Yes.